Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss 2017 Haryana and Punjab High Court Clerk exam. So the first question is, who won the Man Booker Prize 2017? George Sanders won for his novel Lincoln in the Bardo. Karju Ishro won Nobel Prize in Literature in 2017 but not Booker. क्वेश्चन में बुकर प्राइज पूछा है तो ये ध्यान रखना. Paul Beatty won the Booker in 2016. Merrill James won the Booker in 2015. Question 2. The place where the computer saves programs and data is called storage unit. A storage unit store program and data permanently. Hard disk, SSD, pen drive, ये सब आते हैं इसके अंतर्गत. Memory stores data temporary. Storehouse is not a computer term. Backup is only a copy of data. Question 3. Which player won the Golden Ball Prize in FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017? Right answer is Phil Foden. Received the Golden Ball as the tournament's best player. Golden Ball is for best player, Golden Boot for highest goal scorer, and Golden Glove for best goalkeeper. Question 4. Who is the CEO of Udai? Dr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Question 5. The first computer network of the world is ARPANET. Advanced Research Project Agency Network was developed in 1969 and is considered the first computer network as well as the precursor of today's internet. Question 6. According to the Lancet, which nation had the highest pollution related death? India. According to the 2017 Lancet Commission report, India recorded the highest number of pollution-related deaths, followed by China. Question 7. World's tallest solar tower is in Israel. The Eslim Solar Power Station in Israel was known for having one of the world's tallest solar towers. Question 8. Which hurricane caused the world's largest economic loss? Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina 2005 caused one of the largest economic losses in history, exceeding $125 billion. Question 9. Who won the Player of the Series award in ICC Women's Cricket Cup World Cup 2017? Right answer is Tammy Beaumont. England won the Women's World Cup 2017 and Tammy Beaumont scored the most runs and received the Player of the Tournament award. Question 10. Who headed the committee for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Arjuna Award 2017? Justice R.M. Lodha. He headed the selection committee for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Arjuna Award 2017. Question 11. Who has been appointed as the new RAW chief? Anil Dashmana. He was appointed as the Chief of Research and Analysis Wing. Remember, RAW एक्सटर्नल इंटेलिजेंस होता है और आई भी इंटरनल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए. क्वेश्चन 12. The fastest growing city in Asia as per economic Oxford study is हो ची मिन. ये वियतनाम की सिटी है. एशियाज़ फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग सिटी. Question 30. The scheme हर हाथ एक किताब is a joint venture between National Book Trust and Flipkart. The National Book Trust partnered with Flipkart to launch the Har Haath Ek Kitab initiative to make books more accessible across India. Question 14. The campaign promoting toilet use and freedom from open defecation is Darwaza Band. Darwaza Band was a campaign launched to encourage people to use toilets and eliminate open defecation, supporting the Swachh Bharat mission. Question 15. Hate is related to love in the same way create is related to destroy. Hate love एंटोनियम है, create destroy एंटोनियम होंगे. Question 16. The general turnover required for application for GST was ₹20 lakh. At the time, in 2017, when GST was introduced, businesses with an annual turnover above 20 lakh generally had to register under GST. Question 17. The Consumer Protection Act was enacted in 1986. It was later replaced by Consumer Protection Act 2019. Question 18. All acids contain which element? Hydrogen. All acids contain hydrogen with their release as H positive ion in aqueous solution. For example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. Question 19. Bone ossification test is conducted to ascertain a person's tentative age. The bone ossification test estimates a person's approximate age by examining the development and fusion of bone. It is often used in medico-legal cases. Question 20. The first woman to climb Mount Everest was Juno Tebei from Japan. She became the first woman to climb Mount Everest on 16 May 1975. Question 21. Most ancient musical instrument among the following is Veena. The Veena is one of the oldest Indian musical instruments mentioned in ancient Hindu scriptures and associated with goddess Saraswati. Oldest Veena, a percussion tabla, string, sitar or sarod. Question 22. Which of the following tree is now taken to be an environmental hazard? Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is often considered environmentally harmful because it absorbs a large amount of groundwater, it reduces biodiversity, it can make soil less fertile. Question 23. The largest river island of the world is in Assam. Majoli, situated in the Brahmaputra River in Assam, is famous as the world's largest inhabited river island. Question 24. The oldest form of composition of Hindustani vocal music is Drupad. Drupad is the oldest surviving form of Hindustani classical vocal music. It developed before Khayal and is known for its serious and devotional style. Question 25. Black Death refers to plague. The Black Death was a devastating bubonic plague pandemic that spread through Europe in the 14th century. Question 26. The first country to give women the right to vote was New Zealand in 1893. First self-governing country to grant women the right to vote in 1893, New Zealand. Question 27. The first nation to legalize euthanasia, mercy killing, was Netherlands. Netherlands became the first country to legalize active euthanasia in 2002. Question 28. Arihant is the name of nuclear-powered submarine. INS Arihant is India's first indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. Question 29. What is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Bus. Question 30. Which of the following is the most stable ecosystem? Ocean. Ocean ecosystem is considered the most stable because it has a vast size, environmental conditions change slowly, it supports high biodiversity and balanced ecological procession. Question 31. Which is the state animal of Punjab? Black bug. The black bug is the state animal of Punjab, and state bird Baz, state tree Shisham, state flower Gladiolus. Question 32. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Femur thigh bone is the longest bone, the strongest bone. It connects the hip to knee. Smallest bone stapes जो ear में होते हैं और longest femur. Question 33. Which is stated to be the first Punjabi film? Sheila, also known as Pind Di Kudi, released in 1935, is regarded as the first Punjabi feature film. Question 34. The athlete who set 6 world records within 45 minutes was Jesse Owens, famously set 6 world records and equally another within about 45 minutes in 1935. One of the greatest achievements in athletics. Question 35. Which Sikh Guru started the Langar system? Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev Ji introduced the concept of Langar, promoting equality, community service, brotherhood. Later, Guru Amar Das Ji further initialized and expanded the Langar system. Question 36. Which of the following is most elastic? Steel. In physics, elasticity means the ability to regain the original shape after the deforming force is removed. Although rubber stretch more but still has a higher Young's models, making it more elastic in the scientific sense. Question 37. The body temperature is regulated by hypothalamus. The hypothalamus acts as the body's thermostat. It regulates body temperature, hunger, thirst, sleep, and hormonal balance. Question 38. Which is the first state in India to pass the food security law? Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh became the first Indian state to implement a comprehensive food security act, which later inspired the National Food Security Act. Question 39. Yamini Krishnamurthy is famous for which dance style? Bharatanatyam. Yamini Krishnamurthy is one of the India's greatest Bharatanatyam dancer. She is also trained in Kuchipudi, but she is primarily known for Bharatanatyam. Question 40. Which of the following function as the controller of credit in India? The Reserve Bank of India. RBI controls the flow of credit in the economy through monetary policy using tools such as repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, open market operation. Question 41. Who is the first Indian to be the Deputy Director General of WHO? Soumya Swaminathan. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan became the first Indian Deputy Director General of the World Health Organization in 2017. WHO headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, founded in 1948. Question 42. The strait which separates Asia from North America is Bering Strait. It lies between Russia and Alaska. It connects Arctic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Park Strait, India and Sri Lanka, and Gibraltar Strait, Europe and Africa, and Malacca between Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Question 43. The first Indian university opened in 1857 was in Kolkata. In 1857, three universities were established. First University of Calcutta, then University of Bombay, and then University of Madras. Question 44. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroyalty of Canning. India's first budget was presented by James Wilson in 1860 during the Viceroyalty of Lord Canning. Question 45. Which bank was earlier called the Imperial Bank? State Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India was nationalized and renamed the State Bank of India in 1955. SBI established in 1955. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Question 46. What separates Daman and Diu? Gulf of Cambodge. इसको कैम्बे भी बोल देते हैं. Separates Daman and Diu, the two former districts of the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. Question 47. The highest peak of the Himalaya in India is in Kashmir. The highest peak in India claimed by India is K2, Mount Godwin Austen, which is in the Karakoram range in the Kashmir region. Highest peak in India in traditional GK is K2, and highest peak entirely within India is Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Question 48. Which temple got the name Black Pagoda? Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple in Odisha is called Black Pagoda because sailors used it as a navigation landmark due to its dark appearance. White Pagoda called Jagannath Temple, Puri. Question 49. Green muffler is plantation along roadside and busy areas to reduce noise pollution. A green muffler is a belt of trees and shrubs planted along roads, highways, and industrial areas to reduce noise pollution, dust, and air pollution. Question 50. Who became the first Indian woman to join WWE? Kavita Devi. Kavita Devi became the first Indian woman to sign with WWE in 2017. She is a former powerlifter from Haryana. Now moving to English section. First is 51 to question 60 are fill-ups. Question 51. First dash in all human relation are crucially important. First appearance in all human relationships are crucially important. Question 52. If dash well they can, if handled well they can, if handled well they can begin the process of strengthening social relationship between persons, future productive and mutually beneficial transactions, and the dash of social relationships, the termination of social relationship can evoke strong emotions. Participants have usually revealed some of their most inner feelings. तो आप देख लो जो मोस्ट स्टेबल हो वो यूज़ होगा. क्वेश्चन 61. नाउ idioms. A person, one word substitution, sorry. Question 61. A person who helps you break the law. Accomplice. Accomplice is a person who helps another person commit a crime. Accomplished का मतलब होता है पार्टनर इन क्राइम. स्पाई का मीनिंग होता है सीक्रेट एजेंट. एले सपोर्टर और फ्रेंड. कोलैबोरेटर अ पर्सन वर्किंग टुगेदर. नॉट नेसेसरी इन क्राइम, अदर वर्क में भी हो सकता है. क्वेश्चन 62. फूड विच एग्रीज विद वंस टेस्ट. पैलेटेबल. फूड विच एग्रीज विद वंस टेस्ट. पैलेटेबल. Palatable food, tasty food. Edible, safe to eat. Pungent, strong smell or taste. Question 63. To accept the gauntlet. To accept a challenge. Throw down the gauntlet means challenge someone, and to accept the gauntlet means accept a challenge. Take up or accept the challenge. Question 64. Swan song. Last work of a poet or musician before death. Swan song refers to last work of a poet or musician before death. It is a final performance or achievement before retirement or death. Question 65. Find the correctly spelled word. Bouquet. Bouquet. A bunch of flowers. Arrange the parts to form a meaningful sentence. It would appear from his statement in dealing with the strike about the policy of the management that he was quite in the dark. ये हो जाएगा right sentence. Question 67. Synonym of imping. Strike. Imping means to strike against, affect or have an impact on. For example, new laws impinge on our freedom. Question 68. Synonym of caveat means warning. Caveat means warning or caution. In legal meaning, a caveat is a notice filed in court requesting that no order be passed without hearing the person who filed it. Question 69. Antonym of pretentious. Humble. Pretentious means trying to appear more important or impressive than one really is. Antonym is humble. Question 70. Antonym of provocation. Provocation means provoking someone to anger. So antonym is pacification. Pacification means calming, making peaceful. Now moving further for description part. So essay 1 is on educational value of traveling. 150 words में लिखना है. Educational value of traveling. So, traveling is one of the best ways to learn about the world. It gives us knowledge that books alone cannot provide. When we visit different places, we see new culture, language, tradition, and lifestyle. This makes us more open minded and confident. Students learn things while traveling. They can visit historical monuments, museum, mountain, river, and famous sites. Such visits help them understand history, geography, and culture in a better way. Traveling also teaches us how to adjust to different situations and communicate with new people. Traveling is also good for our mental health. It removes stress and refreshes our mind. Family trips and educational tours create beautiful memories and improve relationship. Nowadays, traveling has become easier because of better roads, railways, and air transport. People can also use maps and mobile apps to plan their journey. Last, my conclusion is traveling is a great teacher. It improves our knowledge, confidence, and personality. Every student should travel whenever possible because learning through experience is the best form of education. Essay 2. Essay 2 is your ambition in life. So, every person has an ambition in life, and ambition gives us a goal and motivate us to work hard. My ambition is to become a teacher. A teacher plays an important role in shaping the future of students. Teachers not only give knowledge but also teach good values, discipline, and confidence. I want to help students become responsible and successful citizens. To achieve my goal, I study regularly and improve my knowledge and communication skill. I believe that hard work, honesty, and patience are the keys to success. I also want to keep learning new teaching methods so that I can make learning easy and interesting. Teaching is a noble profession. It gives an opportunity to serve society by educating the younger generation. A good teacher can inspire many students to achieve their dreams. Conclusion. My ambition gives me confidence and keeps me focused. I will continue to work hard to become a good teacher. I believe that with determination and sincere effort, I will achieve my dream. So, third essay is on judiciary, a panica for all the problems. The judiciary is one of the most important pillars of democracy. It protects the constitution, safeguards the right of citizen, and ensures justice for everyone. People approach the courts when they face injustice or dispute. The judiciary helps maintain law and order by punishing criminals and protecting innocent people. It also settles disputes between individuals, organizations, and government. An independent judiciary increasing public trust and strengthen democracy. However, the judiciary alone cannot solve every problem. Issues like poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, and pollution also require the efforts of the government, police, educational institution, and citizen. Everyone has a responsibility to follow the law and perform their duties honestly. Therefore, the judiciary is a powerful institution, but it is not the only solution to all problems. Good governance and responsible citizens are equally important. The judiciary is the guardian of justice and the constitution. It plays a vital role in society, but lasting progress is possible only when all institutions and citizens work together. Question 2 is precise writing. So क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो पैसेज मिलता है उसका 1/3 लिखना होता है अपने वर्ड्स में. तो पहले उसको रीड करके आइडेंटिफाई करो कि इसमें क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं. जो पैसेज दिया गया था वो था इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में. तो पहले सुटेबल टाइटल, फिर मेन आइडिया, एंड देन राइट इन सिंपल इंग्लिश. क्वेश्चन 3 ट्रांसलेशन. विद्यार्थियों में अनुशासनहीनता होने का मुख्य कारण बेरोजगारी और अनिश्चित भविष्य है। विद्यार्थी स्टूडेंट अनुशासनहीनता एंड डिसिप्लिन एंड मुख्य कारण मेन कोज बेरोजगारी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अनिश्चित भविष्य अनसर्टेन फ्यूचर. So the main cause of indiscipline among student is unemployment and an uncertain future. आज विद्यार्थी ऊंची ऊंची डिग्रियां प्राप्त करने के बाद भी बेरोजगार है. टुडे स्टूडेंट्स रिमेन अनएम्प्लॉयड इवन आफ्टर ऑब्टेनिंग हायर डिग्रीज. हमें अपनी शिक्षा प्रणाली में सुधार करने की आवश्यकता है. वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम ताकि जब विद्यार्थी अपनी शिक्षा पूरी करके निकलें तो उन्हें इस बात का पूरा विश्वास हो कि उन्होंने किसी न किसी कार्य को करने की योग्यता प्राप्त कर ली है. सो दैट when students complete their education, they may be confident that they have acquired the ability to do some kind of work. सरकार को भी उन्हें नौकरियां उपलब्ध कराने का प्रयास करना चाहिए. The government should also make efforts to provide them with jobs. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट वोकैबुलरी क्या देखिए इसमें. अनुशासनहीनता इनडिसिप्लिन, मुख्य कारण मेन कोज बेरोजगारी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, अनिश्चित भविष्य अनसर्टेन फ्यूचर, ऊंची ऊंची डिग्रियां हायर डिग्रीज, शिक्षा प्रणाली एजुकेशन सिस्टम सुधार करना टू इम्प्रूव, योग्यता एबिलिटी और स्किल उपलब्ध कराना टू प्रोवाइड. सो दैट्स कंप्लीटेड द क्वेश्चन पेपर.